We're super excited. We got this lovely package from Not Moth, and I am thrilled to open it. It has Happy Mail written all over it, so I'm sure there's a lot of joy coming up. Let's take a look. Thank you in advance, Holly, for giving us this sweet gift. We can't wait to open it. Sorry for my voice, by the way. I'm suffering from major allergies right now. Okay, let's see. What did we get from... Oh, Miss Holly, look! Ooh! So many goodies and surprises. I see ya. Oh my gosh! Look at this. There's a wax seal on it too. How fancy! Lena, do you see this seal?
Yeah.
Wow!
It's a princess.
It's a princess? It's a beautiful moth. That's a moth with wings. Yeah. Oh. And it says Happy Mother's Day. So sweet. Aw. All right. Can't wait to open it. Let me open this one first then. Ooh, it's sticky. Wow. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh, so pretty. Do you know what that is?
I don't know.
These are moths. Look at this beautiful moth. Oh. Shh, I'm counting. Totally need that when I'm working on my amigurumi. Aww. Look at this beautiful mommy bunny and a baby bunny in a jar. These are such lovely stickers. Another moth. So pretty. Holly wrote the sweetest little note to me. Thank you so much, Holly. Hope you love the little containers I made for your tiny dolls. Okay, let's check it out now. Let's open up. Come here. You have such a big smile. You're excited. Can you help take it out very gently? Oh, look at that. Who's inside, Lena? You want to open it? Yeah. Whoa! Oh my goodness, Holly! So she made, I recently released a pattern called the Pocket People, and Holly made a pocket person from my pattern that it's such a tiny version. The ones I have are huge. Hold on, let me grab. Yep, that's a hat, Lena. You found the hat. Here's a look at the difference between the sizes of our pocket people. This one's one I made with super bulky yarn, and this is what Holly made.
What about Mom?
You want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, you can help hold the doll. And look at this beautiful jar. There's a little bench with flowers and grass inside. Oh my gosh, just such a lovely scene.
And another one.
And another one?
This one.
Another flower? You're right. There are lots and lots of flowers in there. And look at the detail in this bonnet. There's like little beads strung on it. I admire how much detail Holly puts into all of her work. Lena, should we open up the small package?
Yes.
Let's see what's in the small package. There's a tiny one. Let's open. Sorry, tissue paper. Oh my god. Oh, look at this tiny tin. Lena, can you show the tin? Yeah, it's such a pretty tin.
Where's the key?
Oh, Lena says she wants to open it. Sure, let's open it. We're gonna see what's inside the tiny tin. Pull open. Oh my god. Lena, do you want to show it? Let's show the surprise. What is it? What is it?
It's a tiny one.
It's a tiny one. Yeah, that's you, Lena. the tiny baby and the mama? That's you and mama. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know if you could catch the detail on this, but there's grass and flowers inside to match the jar that is the mama doll came in. And I have to show you how cute this is. Look at the mom doll and the itty bitty baby doll, Lena. Doesn't it look like her? The little Lena doll is hanging on to the mama doll. Look at her upside down. Isn't that funny? That's what Lena likes to do too. I'll hold on to her and then she'll like try and flip over so that she's upside down.
Yes, Owie.
Oh yeah, you want to show your owie? That's okay. Yep, there's your owie. Okay. Lena, look. You're so tiny. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, Lena's like playing with it now. So much fun. Thank you so much, Holly. Oh my goodness. So you just gave us some incredible gifts. This is the sweetest Mother's Day gift ever. We've got these cute little habitats for our pocket people. And what is it? Do you want to show? What happened? Yeah, the tiny Lena doll.
And Mama doll.
And Mama doll. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you, Holly. You've made my day. You've made my little girl's day. These are such intricately made gifts, and there's so much detail that goes into everything that Holly makes. I'm in awe of her talent. And this is just such a sweet, sweet, thoughtful gift. Thank you, Holly, for these precious little dolls and their little homes. Lena and I are so grateful. Lena, can we say thank you?
Thank you.